Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and protecting yourself. First, turn off the wall switch and the circuit if available, then verify with a non-contact tester so you don't touch a live socket. Wear heat-resistant gloves because halogen bulbs retain heat. Let the lamp cool for 10-20 minutes to avoid burns. Once done, set up a stable ladder or step stool to reach the fixture comfortably, and unbox the replacement bulb, checking the wattage and base match to maintain fixture safety. Next, remove the fixture cover or trim carefully, unscrew or unclip it and set hardware aside. You want to grip the bulb at the base, not the glass, because oils from your skin can shorten halogen life. If it's a twist base, rotate counterclockwise or pull straight out for a bipin. Inspect the socket for corrosion, discoloration, or loose wiring. This tells you whether the problem was the bulb or the fixture. Make sure contacts look clean so the replacement will seat properly and function safely. To finish, handle the new halogen bulb with gloves or a clean tissue to avoid oil transfer, then align and insert by the base. Do not force. Reattach the trim or cover securely, restore power, and test the light. Make sure the bulb is dimmer compatible if used on a dimming circuit. If you see flicker or no light, turn power off and reseat the bulb, inspect the socket and wires, and check the breaker or inline fuse. One key troubleshooting tip is to always verify good contact at the socket.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.